This is my copycat version of Panda Express Beijing beef. I'm Tess, and I will show you step by step how to make this delicious Beijing beef, and it's better than Panda Express takeout. Stay tuned. I have several Panda Express copycat recipes on my channel. There is a copycat recipe for Panda Express orange chicken, chicken mushroom zucchini stir fry, black pepper chicken, honey walnut shrimp, and today I'm making Panda Express copycat Beijing beef. You are going to be amazed at how good this Beijing beef recipe is and how easy it is to make. So let's get started. I'm using a top sirloin for this recipe, but you could also use flank steak. They both work well. I want to cut across the grain and I'm making the pieces bite size. Panda Express cuts the beef a little smaller, but that's the benefit of making this homemade recipe. I also left the beef partially frozen so it cuts easier and I can make the pieces about 1/8 of an inch thick. I have a little over a pound of sliced beef in the bowl, and I'm adding in a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and you can use rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 large egg white, giving that a good mix, covering and setting to the side on the countertop and letting that marinate for about 30 minutes. Now for the sauce. I have a 1/2 cup of water, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of Hoison sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chili sambal for a little heat, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, giving that a good mix. The beef is done marinating, and I'm lightly coating all the pieces with cornstarch and shaking off the excess. This is going to give the beef a nice crunchy coating. I have my vegetable oil at 350 to 375 degrees, and I'm frying for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the beef is golden brown. It doesn't take long and you don't want to overcook the beef. Fry the beef in batches so not to overcrowd the pan. Once the beef is done, remove and drain on a paper towel. Now we are ready to put this Beijing beef together. I'm using my wok tonight, but you can use any pan. I have my heat on medium-high and I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of oil and 1 cup each of diced onions and red bell peppers. I kept the size similar to the beef. Adding in about 5 cloves of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions start to change color. Now I'm turning up my heat to high and pouring in my sauce, bringing this up to a simmer and letting the sauce flavors develop for another minute or 2. I'm adding in my crispy beef and I'm giving it a good toss so everything gets thoroughly coated with that wonderful yummy sauce. And we are ready to eat. This Copycat Panda Express Beijing beef recipe is so easy and it tastes just like takeout. And as you can see, probably better. The beef is nice and tender and crispy. Seriously, you have to give this recipe a try. It is so good and you won't be disappointed. I'm serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice. I hope you give this Copycat Panda Express Beijing beef recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!